Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Nando's hot sauce full guide. Start by sourcing fresh peri-peri peppers, garlic, red wine vinegar, olive oil, smoked paprika, salt, and a touch of sugar. Roast peppers and garlic for a smoky base, then blend with vinegar and oil until silky. Taste and tweak acidity and heat, bottle in sterilized jars, and let flavors meld for a day before using. Prep thoroughly and keep your workspace organized to make the process smoother and faster. Halve and optionally deseed peppers depending on desired heat, then char them until tender and smoky. Sauté or roast garlic to mellow its bite and combine with measured vinegar and oil for a balanced emulsion. Use a high-speed blender for a silky texture and strain if you prefer a thinner sauce. Small adjustments make a big difference, so taste as you go and keep it personal. Smoked paprika adds depth, while lemon juice brightens the overall profile without overpowering heat. If the sauce feels too sharp, add a little sugar or honey to harmonize flavors. Fresh herbs can add complexity, but infuse briefly so bitter notes do not develop, then cool and bottle the sauce for later use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.